me per se can want some a very, very important, and it's got to do with ejuma. But before I talk about ejuma, no, this story over the weekend, Ghana for Bibri, can want some, and I think we have to address this issue. All right, team, thank you. And the issue is about a year. The police arrest 4 Bills microcredit employees for assaulting 42-year-old Hager Emisa during debt recoupment. Now, you know video be na you say Bills microcredit for a year ni agent for be equa abontine say omoko akwaje loan. Every ma maybe wa I don't want to play the video on my show. Na ma kuta akwara almost saw my minimum in a they were just basically harassing the woman. All because my minute day a year company nika and these young men a company na hire almost say in fact kwa bontini obi a the company nika biano sebio omunkoji sikano. Now sometimes obi beka say okay, I am not and I want to put this on record. I am not holding brief for these guys. Whatever they did, it was wrong and they need to be punished for it. Now, what I want Ghanaians to understand and say, and I want to tell Bills microcredit, I have no personal issues with them, but I want to address this loan companies in Ghana issue. What we saw in the video does not mean say Bills micro credit for no agent. So we cannot use this for to bring down a whole company that has employed young people. Because whether you like it or not, Bill's company, any other loan companies, almost for Ghana for Ejuma, and some people are being paid because of these kind of companies. So we cannot sit here and say because of the actions of some people, these particular guys, every person be more Bills microcredit, and I say other loan companies, and that's how they treat customers or people they deal with. Now, there's something I want to address here. I want Ghanaians to understand, so will be a loan company. You need to also find a better way of recouping one debt. So why would you be a loan company? You need to find a way that you will take your money back without harassing people. And for a very long time, there are a lot of loan companies in Ghana. They are abusing Ghanaians. In fact, let me take this thing off. You know the reason? Because there are some people who will pick the caption alone and use Bills microcredit as the people I'm talking about. I am not specifically speaking against only Bills microcredits. No, I'm speaking in general when it comes to loan collection companies. And the companies are omuma loans. There's a trend in Ghana, and for some time now, we have not paid attention. And that Ghana and a loan companies work. When people default on their loans, there are so many ways. A loan company, you should be able to take your loan. That is not the job of the government. You have to make sure you work within the laws. And itina say uni saabu treno untumi endure that processor. You are not supposed to go into loans or giving loans out to Ghanaians. There are a lot of companies in Ghana almost loan. At the end of the day, they become basically they terrorize people. And a lot of these companies, they use Nigerians. And sometimes you'll be on social media. Sometimes they go as far as going on radio stations to go put people's picture there to say, this man is wanted. This man has done this crime. Abrana nipane nyeda enyesa, all because nipane de sa loan company nika. We have seen some foreigners in Ghana who have been hired by these loan companies harassing Ghanaians without due respect. Nipana obeji loan no watching into oba. Now, so why you say Obama loan now? You need to understand say a proper way to take your money back. Now, when you're ready to go through the difficult process to take your money back, then my friend, do not open a loan company. Because the harassment in Ghana about Makoji loan waha, if you know you cannot go through the process, you are not supposed to harass anybody. Anything as obi beji loan, it is at your discretion. When I'll be deciding whether to give to the person or not. There are so many things you need to look out for before you hand over loan to somebody. We a loan company. That's what be a loan company. Our man call for loan. You don't have the right. None of your workers have any right to lay a hand on anybody or loan or company. Nobody. And in fact, when we go back or try to go into the detail of these things, the loan companies or mobile loans, it was some who go through a process, a legitimate, and a process of harassing people to take your loan or take your money back. It is a company be Ghana and Nigeria and say, I mena mo sika and maybe a loan company. I didn't know about your muntia. Obia and Shawose be a loan company. Nobody is forcing anybody to put up or establish a loan company. So why would you say open for someone to be a loan company? You also have to be ready to endure that process. Because at the end of a point will come, the young men and women in the communities will start attacking your workers. Because you ain't man tem. Na ya anti bia be bomo besia. Oba no beka na asam kire mo. Mo man the document man fele ye. Mo checking the financial status. Mo checking adia e wose odisia wawa. Mo checking how you are going to take your money. Inti mo ntumi kan kire say ya anti bia be bomo besia. Inti o metua inti mo ba be bono ana mo be twe na se. No. You don't have any rights. And this is part of the job. That is why enyo obi ade betu be a loan company. And enyo obi ade betu masoraka be a loan company, because the process of getting back your money, it is not a small process. It's tedious, and we are not giving you that right to go after enforce me kobono monkona monko tata ma we koji sika. No, anytime these things the people will rise up against you people. The young men and women in the communities will not sit down again to be watching you, these microfinance companies are mama mam loan. Now you take Imbrano into your own hands to go after people. You don't have the right. And this is not to any company. I am making it general. All the loan companies in Ghana. Somebody imagine say you are going to harass people to take your money. So be baso beji loan. It is up to you. Wona woman loan to assess the person. You have to let a person go through screening. You need to weigh a lot of things before you say 10,000. Now, so we have due diligence. We are that due diligence, any screening, and a very good way to claim your money back. It is not you walking or driving to the person's house. Now I catch and say, Antiama, oh boy, your company back, Bessia 3,000, I can 500 Ghana, 80 by force, you took Aba. Adam mobile side, people will attack you people. Because you people are becoming a nuisance. You are becoming a threat to our communities. You, those loan collectors, sad debt collectors, you are becoming a nuisance. More harm than good. It is when you're ready to the right channel, so ajimu loan, ajimu sika baka. Then don't come into the communities attacking people and harassing people. There are so many ways you can take your loan. Through text messages, through emails, you can use the police, you can sue the person. And I think there are other ways of doing it. In America, say at the car, at a point, tax collector cannot come to your house and say, I've been given the right to come and take this loan. They will have to come and serve you. They will have to email you. They will have to send letters to you. At a point, someone serving the partners and respond there. You can bring the police and pick the person up. But no loan company in Ghana from today. Because anytime a better system will be, we will also advise the public to attack you people. Today, I'm not going to make that statement. Any day I bet system will be, you benya any video online from anybody say mona mojiji loan, mona mobajiji ka, yedi mogu kia picanto sa die ndiemu, moji she blue, moji she yellow, moji she red. You are entering people's home to harass them. We will make sure the young people in that place, baby, they will come after you. So desist from that kind of character. Sa Subaino, we need to take it out of the system. Mona mod malona na mona na jom eno where the loan where the ojia 2 days ya mom ya how bosome me nsakura ubetuma yojuma. We see it. Most of them kofa allo I want to be I am hungry celebrities. Nobody di mo jom pencil smoke girls. Omunye juma papa biano. Most sorry na ma float. Na munam jom. Ya ma me mo yo modjuma. Na the loan is show mo kon. Oh loan we there. 5 months akwa ne how. Wo de chiro wudin Ghana card wen. Yan fele ma opede 500 ochina beje. They don't come to your offices. You are the people who are forcing them to take the loans. Ghana for majority of Ghana for mame for ya aunties ya papa duma mo force the loan show mo kono mo na mo de ko tata mo. All because you make cheap money, you make easy money from these people. All because your turnover is big. Most of them krom celebrities be a comedy or mom na ho pepra e hiafo bi a omo $10,000 krada na ma se omo gu float so na ma hye omo chet tantan bi na omo nanam kejetia na omo nanam makola na omo namalata na nkwasiafo omo jimi omo ho in the name say this is a new loan company. I can show you so many videos of these celebrities, that a crazy celebrities for we and in Ghana a mumba ne mema and kwasiade a convince them say they should take loan. Inti ya catch them. Sibia mudi loan tata omono. They also have the right to pay at their own pace. So to me nya then go through the process. Because from today, ada ya better say obi asuma the jumem for se monko maami we ho now the 1,000 or the 200. We will make sure we let the people go after you people. Because more be dangerous to our communities and our society. Mo amoji sa mo se na mokoji loan debt ye na yakwaji jijika no sa mo kwa maame yesrew ye free company we letter we na ye de bro o first letter ni ye so de 1,000 Ghana ye yesrew bra ye office what you momo a me hwe receipt no o the man on first day wanka bibia the following day mo ba mo letter ni o the third day no maka che Ghana police mo me yanko because police mo arrest no police needs to have a document to prove say e was so obechi nipa no and send a police no kwan so obechi nipa na police station. Nobody has the right to put boys or girls or whatever in a car and say moko tata we wa wo be di san kwase sem no Ghana biem no o company no ye be boa manegu. I don't want to go after anybody. That's why I'm making this general. More and more loan companies, tomorrow you need to have a meeting and take out that part of your harassing call for. You can send one person to go and deliver a message, and that delivering of message, it's not supposed to be harassment. If you have to give a letter to the person, more the phone number, more email, more text you more, and also more send you more email, and I say mo text you almost 3 times. Na the partner and respond there. Mo bet to me the letter na ko police. Na ma catch police onje warrant no ko chiri pano. Yete mamaya emra wo. Mama fa mo kwa siade na. Mo kwa siade na Ghana no. Enta tankofo. Adaya ye beji loan. Kwa siafo mo bu ko ji loan mo de ka. 90% of Ghana for sikafo obi antumi ncho $1 million. Ehiafo. Mo te Ghana na mo nwehuru ehiafo Ghana. You don't have any money. And I'm Ghana, Sikaki to be a become sano, and you are turning the money around at most harassing for. Now we are kasi ye biemu books Munina more Ghana, moya ye loan companies. Yakasi ye biemu books out the Timupa, kamun na jail. Huh? Ghana na mranye jumentra. You sit in Ghana and you call yourselves billionaires and years. Most uncle say 40 binam Ghana no. Sanke kase ye or the Timu. Ye or the Timu pa ni ehwem books mo a kamosa loan companies and come in Ghana. Come majority of people be in jail. It is unquestioned there. It should change. That company policy no or China more revise no. You should take it out because you send a video for fraud on the internet. You send another video of any of these companies harassing anybody. What we would do is that what we would do and say, we will also tell the people to protect themselves, protect their relatives, prevent you people from arresting those people. Samuya side yedi biem na ye hu sa videos na. Yes, you check community no. You check young people no say anytime ebe hu mo e o mantem samo be chi obi, mo be dan mo ka no, they should protect themselves. And it's not going to be fun. It's not going to be beautiful. It's going to create a lot of issues. Into more loan companies, more revise more policies ni biem. More revise more policies no because in Kofona mo small mo koji loan no omunya police officers. Embrebia ni Ghana emomo ekwan se omunkoje eka emobi. All those boys and girls who have been sending around. Embrebia ni Ghana ha aka se omo the right to go and task somebody say odi your company car. Some person omo je eka. There are rules emrada ho. Some person be reading Mrana from Ochina. I can come and read Sa Mrana Chira Ghana for that you cannot just go out there and say maybe down ka yebe so mu, yebe chon, ochina, we will come and read every single thing. The process you need to go through before you can take your loan. Or debt from anybody. It should end today. Now, Enra, you can be before a year or more loan. Loan companies, say you etata for a harassing for say obiabeji loan inti. Say you on tiaya. I was say they omoko tata. You video be recently. A year loan company be a year. These people are distracting me. Loan company be ma omo workers be eko tata ma bia a be controversy all over the place. Anna Endra Maker said, so person be a loan company. You need to understand the say emra or also diso. So person do sika na also with this emra no so no aju sika. There are so many people in Ghana, with all due respect, omakoji loan. Na sebio answer we beji loan na e ahochere. Now wona wudi loan mano, you need to let the person know say loan now the man no beje, but you have to take it in the right way. So we a loan company. Na so uni abutra ye fa emra no so gigi ye car and the men be a loan company no. Because the moment oba wajuni say oba suman kofo emoma ko tata nkofo no etia Ghana mra, and we are all so going to turn around against you. These are emra edaho. Now say we Ghana di no akoji loan na emra edaho a Ghana mra mu enie. Emra ni. Now main regulator of loans in Ghana, ope eye abanjumakua or regulate eye loans for Ghana, a primary authority no a Bank of Ghana. A Bank of Ghana and a loan company so Ghana nyina show masi. Into also teacher say so be a license or the operator say or a loan company a only Bank of Ghana pe and a bit to mama sa company in the license say on to me operate as a loan company or to me man for loan. Now license and they license all lenders. Inti company be our Ghana be a loan be no and was a company need to be prove Ghana for say a Bank of Ghana and a more license no whether a fintech apps and I say microfinance and I say banks say a banks a loan say a microfinance a loan and I say a fintech and I say apps na mojiji loan or hosna ni no a Bank of Ghana and a work or to me no and authority no to give them license to operate in Ghana. Obia or my loan or Ghana say banko, microfinance and app amutuma loan say omuni license from the Bank of Ghana. A juma no mudino illegal. Now Bank of Ghana supervise the lending practices. Bank bia ana microfinance bia ana app fintech ana fintech apps ni bia omoma loan no. Also TSC say a Bank of Ghana and supervises bia omo lending. Omo handle complaints from borrowers. And almost enforce consumer protection rules. Into wa okobo besiano. Wo protection a Bank of Ghana de demand. Sebio se owo some grievances and na BB koso our loan company num na omudi do na nya you can report them to the Bank of Ghana omo department omo djuma die no enti sa companies na emma loans for Ghana ni nyina no we are going to start asking them for their license. We want to know say omo license no a Bank of Ghana na e dia omo 2026 way omo license obetume prove chair say omo pass system ni nyina to make sure so omo license omo to me the Emma loan or Ghana. Now in simple terms no license from Bank of Ghana, illegal loan business. Company be a Ghana any license from Bank of Ghana to give loans and also Obama loan no sa company no a illegal business. Juma di omudi no a juma dia a bone aban ebetimi achi omo omudi sa juma no. And this obiba jom obiba ofie no catch us say yasuma me adwuma bank way or me license loan company but so almost say Bank of Ghana license mo me pese me who license no ansana one sa company na yedwuma so mo badwom no mo kutakuta phone so me amfa app bi to phone so but so almost say mo license e kire say uye adwuma Bank of Ghana ma krata say mo fa ndi dwuma we no ma me hu ansana enye sa obi ebeji usike di in the name say wa ma loan na betua sike bi Very important. Ye maamenom, ye papanom, ye nuanom a monenam Ghana baby anam akoji loan no. Some of the companies na moko wa mumusa mo say momfa mo insurance ene mo license na nkyereye say ampa Bank of Ghana ama mo ho kwan say mo ma loan. That is one. It was all here. So companies say ma loan in microfinance banks or a fintech apps in no. I was say omunya license for a Bank of Ghana. A Bank of Ghana nkwa and a massa license no. Now main law governing loans in Ghana, emra ebo loans ho e ban e wo Ghana. So obeso oji loan o Ghana, e wo se oti ase emra sebio ebo loan ho. Mo a muti dwoma a moji jiji loan no, mo no e wo se mutie sa de we. The key law is Banks and Specialized Deposit Taking Institutions Act 2016 Act 930. Yawa emra sebio eba Ghana loan. Senya yajin Ghana bought sa loan jeno ho ban and then your friend the Deposit Taking Institution Act 2016 Act 930 into Ghana mremu no ya wamra bought sa de ho ban untumi gi loan keke ya wamra bia wa Ghana bought loan je ho ban sebio obi entumi tieti afa ho de so and wo so untumi tieti obi fa ho de so sa ko gi loan na ya wamra ho ban and nipa na odi loan ma no ya wamra no ho so ban ni tuam and ni gimu nyina ya wamra sebio wo ha ya de bo ho ban. Now, this law regulates banks, microfinance, savings and loans companies. 2, requires anyone giving loans to be licensed. 3, makes it illegal to operate a lending business without approval. Into sa act way, bank deposit taking banks and specialized deposit taking institution Act 2016 Act 930 no. 1, regulated banks, microfinance, savings and loans companies nyina omo no mo hwe mo dwumadie nyina so. And 2, samra way e make sure say obi obema loan bia no e was say all license that e current. Obi o ha license e twam, obi o license ewu, obi o license on register on renew 2026 only current license or sa nyoma nyina e was say o hwe ansa na woni sa company na kodi dwuma. There are so many loan companies in Ghana. Omo license we last year. Obi on a license 5 years ago, and so that when they so my loans, they are dangerous companies. Only a illegal business. They can harass you, they can frustrate you. Some will go to the extent of destroying your life. It's Debiano. I was so busa questions. Company where I'm a loan or license na valid. Because now no we are going to open serious investigations into loan companies in Ghana. Omo license in illegitimate. Omo update your license. Yabeko Bank of Ghana, Bank of Ghana the list na maye. Ne yabek them list in companies omo Ghana omo loans omo license omo also more pretty. So this week I will try. We will do our job and try and get that list from the Bank of Ghana. Every single banker, Emma loan, microfinance, every fintech app, Emma loan or Ghana no. Ya do munyina din baba babu munyina din wa ha. Ya betche omo number. Into obiba na ni din ni sa 2026 list ni mo. Sa company no enye legitimate company to give loans in Ghana. All right. Now, beyanko ni na menchira wade. Now, eba eye bibia ye freno. Legal methods of debt recovery. So uko loan. And now uko microfinance uko loan company uko eye bank uko loan yawo emra ewo Ghana ewo se bank no ana sa loan company no ewo so mu diso so omo pese omo gi omo loan na ana omo kana wo di omo na obi antumi sori magine ne ka ana loan mfiri ho etide na also omo ye 1 contract enforcement. A lender in Ghana can only recover loans through into omo loans no emra wey enkwa no metuma afaso age omo loan sika ewo ho back se enye sa emra wey wa loan company bia ni ho kwan se odin kofo begu ka mu abetata wo fie. 1, contract enforcement. Follow the terms you sign. Answer na obe sign a contract bia with a loan company, whether bank, microfinance, a fintech app or whatever bia omo so malono. Make sure it's a contract no nim de wom. And yes, obi ba 1990 dwom shirt elbonyum oh eno me anfa go phone so you bet 1,000 now what you about 1,000 omo boa terms and conditions na wom na so ready I was say omo chekire mu kirew and yes sir so do ti ko hyase a omo be kirew. Second, apply agreed penalties or collateral into omo kire say ansana eye legal method of debt recovery. A lender in Ghana can only recover loans through applying agreed penalties or collateral. And it's very important to say, loan, whether microfinance, whether fintech app, so now loan, whether any loan company, no, you need to study a contract in a year. And you say, Omubetri Soroku Jomona, now di chile, now see me beji loan, Mofangu me phone so mame, debi ebe how. Now, civil court action. The only way Omubetri aji a car what di omo, Sawoko ji loan omuha. Sue the borrower in court. I was one. First, Omaya follow the terms and sign on a one. Secondly, apply agreed penalties. Inti company now wone no air signing ana ukoji loan ho. What dinkai ewu senia omo sebio so wentua senia kwan on befa so age. Oni omu ndi san komo no. Ebia omo personal contract with you no. Oma chiro wo mu say. Se omo ma obesia na se wanye den wan wentua omo betumi di eja abehwe fie. Inti osa wo ti ase ansa na woni omo edi nsa wo so. And it's not, they need to apply the agreed penalties or collateral. In terms of the loan will be on. Also, we say, hey, Namo say, Ebia loan, no, Mijana Bia Mintuan a time na, Diana Mobeye, Moba Swam call for Mama Bana, Modem Japadebesia wana. Those are things also and son away then. When a company bia akosa terms and say, may babeji loan, mammy loan. Loan, it does not matter how big, a bit my small loan, or bit my how. A bit my big loan, on bit my how. It does not matter the amount of loan I would. Into man can say me a chochoboa, me would do me ton jenny, me a magic 1,000 pe. O bet me how am I brabo in I say. Oko civil court action now. Loan companies no, it is only through a court. Sue the in court. I was a company now a loan no. So the omoka I was omoko court, no court. Some person moji e kana odi omona. I was a SAR company, no, echo court. Now, secondly, I was some court, na court to me more judgment. Omu to me ra court. No mo ka omasem, na court nika sampa asimesi de moka. Iti judgment ni chile say munkoji musika on ho. 3. Use court approved enforcement. Example, punishment and seizure. Inti say what the loan company car. I was one loan company no court. Say loan company no court also the woko court. Or the quarter. Secondly, I was a court no ejina so ema judgment. And it's a long company got somebody wako court, that's a judgment in buyer. On to me enforce it. Say also ojini sika. I was one, or the court. Or the quarter, I also on your judgment. Now on your judgment we are. I was a court no and a children send near on jisikano. Court ka say ebia garnishment and now say seizure. Into court make say okay, e ka we no say na monje no. Ebia monje no sope. And I said, oh, a Japadebo, a Monquajan Fantica. I was a court in a chere, send you also Mujisicano, and yet Omon also Motanaka Mubao, Ebetatao. And remember, the first and second point is very important. Follow the terms you sign. Because company Bia were the terms. Loan company Bia were Nemra. Apart from Ghana as a country having its own laws, you know, I also tell you say you have a personal contract with that specific company. It is a way read terms and conditions now. And then I would doubt them. I know be for 2 big generals and Sikamano. Into the piano, sa terms and conditions. I will say the piano answer about signing contract. Be our own Sabashas here or so where they app keke. Mia yes, menya sadiano. Amu be general because where they app keke. The baby be mia yes, and answer will sign. And it's a crata be bois or a coin be loan went to ya or better tau. Now, the third point, credit bureau reporting. Almost say report defaulters to credit bureaus. Inti issue ni answer Oko Bank of Ghana. Yawo omudi loan companies car. Sa loan company no obetumi akọ akoka se Kevin Taylor de yaka 10,000 Ghana. Inti I say aneso another Emra bank no ebetumi diso loan company ebetumi diso restrict future borrowing. Inti what happens and say loan company do wudi come Bank of Ghana. What Bank of Ghana can do in say omo department na ehwe ye from credit bureau area no. Omo betuma restrict wo sani pa wo tumi mbo besia biem wo Ghana. when emra sa loan companies betumi di so agye musika omo betumi akọ report wo e Bank of Ghana say asimesi the unique Ghana card ni or the 10,000 Ghana also wontua Bank of Ghana no ebetuma send the notice ama banks e Ghana nyina any loan companies nyina say sa asimesi we friend Kwame Amoako or the loan ka mema obi amani loan enti sa loan companies no almost dwumadi a betuma di ekwan betuma afa so e dey den etumi di age loans eye e car wo di omo nenie they don't have every right anything make just say so almost small mo call for mo ba tata mo a then you need to first check the personal contract you have with those loan companies. A holiday the omo kan kire omo nam dwom no mo yesoloku no mo come for pencil jantra for say we celebrities are omo person will say yes oh eno we di anya den kra app keke eno an say we di udin ahyem na abo Ghana number na abo Ghana card number eno an we ba say yes we ba eno an betima gilo no boa busa omo say loan e bia mentumentu a mo de ka ba betata me tie free ni pano no okasa da bia record no debi asem tina ye de evidence ye de court nsem ye sensan krata enti se wan hu sa nyoma na because enye obi obo besia bia na otua and let us get this clear enye obi obo Ghana eka ebo besia Ghana bia na otua enye obi okoji loan bia na otua enti se wo ye Ghana ni na so be so obi loan company you need to also understand say it's a very difficult job. Harassment is out. You cannot harass anybody, but there are ways and means that are legitimate. Now the next one is this. 2, civil court action. Credit bureau reporting any set-offs. Defaulters can be banned from accessing loans for years. And the Bank of Ghana bit my side, set off or banks. In some cases, banks can deduct from your account if you agreed in the contract. Inti mo amobo besiano. So when ya na say loan company no Eco Bank of Ghana obetuma ka say oh anti adwuma otontoma ewo kaso adwom or de ka 20,000 Ghana Bank of Ghana obi a o Ghana bia or unique card bia why den we be account bia no Bank of Ghana can trace the account. The Bank of Ghana betuma say wo anti ni mana wo kaso now waji loan akofa bags every togo abegu na person beton no Bank of Ghana ebe to me contract now when a loan company na sign Bank of Ghana bet me you seek o bank account some the company no. Yes. Bank of Ghana bet much letter koma o bank say anti anima e the loans company we ka on peso betua na e check ni nyina who say o save o bank we Bank of Ghana e bet me ene o bank de dinkomo per the contractor when loan company na sign no at a point omo betime you seek ani bi e dia ma loan company ni say sa e kana odiom no ye di tua inti very tricky. You just don't go in and say mikoji loan kwase bi nam dwom no okuta phone or say je phone we ni afa app nto so menye sa mistake no e wo say wo te contract na wo kona se. Now ya wanyama bi wo ha loan companies no omuntumi nye illegal methods, common but wrong. Loan companies here nyoma bebre o Ghana edegigi omo loan and I say omoka eni kwemu Ghana mratia enene den. The following are not allowed under Ghana law or Ghana law, right? Ebinie. 1, using macho men or thugs. Adia loan company bia, bank bia, microfinance company bia entumi nye so okogene car 1 ontumi use macho men. 2 ontumi intimidate ontumi hunahuna bia. 3 ontumi assault it elsa ma me no mkozo so mu na mo twen no omo ni right so omo de macho man anaso omo be hunahuna anaso omo be so mu asaw kon asaw nsa chichiro. They don't have the right. Ghana mratia. And 4, public shaming omo ntumi ngu wani ma aso nipem. Enti adena yana bank loan companies ni no etia Ghana mra. But remember, it is the personal contract that you signed with the company. Very vital. Sa miawesu no. Ebia umia no. Na contract na one sa loan company ni sign e say when tia mo metataw. You need to be careful. Sa loan na mojeje na enkofo nam dwom na we mia okay say okay yes press yes no. Be careful. So unya very educated ama wo babia wako school na ndie ni munya sa de ne ma wo. But adia loan company bia ntumi nye ana microfinance company bia ntumi nye ana bank bia ntumi nye so okoji loan wo mo ho na so mo bagia 1 omo ntumi fa bacho man bia ma ho eno etia Ghana mra obetuma report omo. 2 Omun to me and tatao. They cannot intimidate you. Hey, what for sikara maya? Ya kwaba and then the wonder. Ya see a bit to me better to bobagun ko for dan sunyano. Enimrem. Ube to me, I find ways to go after them. 3. Omun to me assault. Otu wano wabechichira wansa. Ya the woko. Ya mwao. They don't have the right. And 4. They cannot shame you publicly. Omun to me for unjina drum. No mun sell. No mun do atem. No mun go animasi. They don't have the right to do it. Mwa majiji lono. Montiasye. Now, this is criminal. Assault, harassment, and extortion. Sanyo mani nyina Ghana mremu na eye krono. So obi be tatao, obi be suso umu, obi be twenwase, obi be unawunaw. Ni nyina eye krono wa Ghana mremu. Obi any the right. So the loan kakra obi any the right to do that. Now, seizing property without court order. Almost say no lender can just come and take your TV, car, or etc. Loan company be any who can Ghana say, obetuma ba ufie say, ya betam wo car we dey call. Ya befa TV we dey call. The only way obetuma esa say e court amomo paper krata so obetuma esa. No loan company can come to your house and say you who fridge way or the account here tamako obi enu obetuma esa den etia Ghana mra. No loan company, no bank, no microfinance, no fintech app, nobody who gives loan. Obienwa or malona, obetuma boewura ofie say, what the your company we wuntia ye into your betamo fridge ako, ya do car ako, ya betamo ba we ako, oni sam to mino. So obia try side now, you have the right to defend yourself. Unless it was pledged as collateral and proper legal process is followed. What did the other say or no? Unless it was pledged as collateral and proper legal process is followed. The only time on bet my son say contract now on your sign ye no. One redeem omo kachire omu say when tia ye loan na maya ye betuma betamo car. Ye betuma betamo TV. Ye betuma befa dan. It is our contract now money loan for ne sensan no. San conform na ndwom na say and you press yes and you press yes and you press okay no. Almost say Ghana mra kire say the only time obo betuma yes na say wogi to mu o ne omo contract mu say omo betuma fa wo dan so wentu aka na omo betuma fa wo fridge so wentu aka na e no crampo no e say omo make sure say omo di mra no so TV. Car. I also go through the legal process. That is, maybe they might have to go to court to get a document to prove. Say, court amaya ho kwan say yembra fa ejapade we awudi si awawa. Collateral awawa. Into mumu nipa bebre na sebio mo signing edge apps press okay press yes no. Mudi mo ejapade bebre si awawa munim. So mo the apps ne ba nom de nam dwom ho nom ya press okay press okay press okay. For all you know, no, in the contract, no, BB will make sure says, when Tia Yametamo dine court, Yametamo can court, Yametamo TV court. But what the other one say, press okay, on Babas Sahunya Manako. And Emrano Momo crying. Even though no omun to me ma and I just say Besisa TV no dying and no car corner, they will have to go through the process. Why show you at the end of the day with Japan national? You just don't go in. And intina some of the loan companies no almost the sign money in CSCA omo contract nim because we watch wunti unya botre musansam and one say we dey mobile dwomo we dey no mo bonyom me hu say na musician we ka ho me hu say na we actor we ka ho and omo say empress okay and omo so me 2000 on beje hu japade nyina intimunya very careful. Now these are some of the things they cannot do. Nyoma we bi nyina omo ntumi nye. Ebini say threat or harassment, repeated calls with threats, insult or defamation. You see, loan company went in a car. Ghana mracha say omuntumi frefre won tata wo phone so. Etiamra. Hello, yes, yeni efra we sikaru metia ye ba ho sa nyoma no. Omo fra 1 2 3 4. Through so 5 about to report to police station. They cannot threaten you. Omuntumi frank say hey, one for sikara mai de baba ho and the ma won na no be so almost fresh from phone so no more threaten. Now so almost do attempt and I say they cannot do that. So almost be loan sika. Are we good? Omuntumi nya saa. Say loan company would the obi loan ka microfinance fintech apps nibi and I say bank and I say any loan company, they don't have the right to be calling you every minute. Now when hey you have Jessica, you have a tata and on na you can record and report to the police. Public exposure, shaming you, posting your picture or details publicly. Say loan company be wooden a car. Now say otamo picture element to social media. Facebook, radio so eka se asime se de yaka into way muna monsreno sa company no wetia Ghana mra. Loan company bia ni eye right to say so obi de ne car obekwa publish nipa ni din wo Facebook, TikTok on the company the company account so say I unim bibi. Team, are we good with sound? Are we good on sound? What's this issue with no sound, no sound? Just refresh your set. We are good on sound. Ain't it loan company be any right to say? Obeka say what did the country or the picture go to Facebook? Who are the right to sue them? Who are the right to take them to police? Who are the right to report them? Say they don't have the right to do that. They cannot publicly shame you. Calling your workplace family abusively. Loan company be any Ghana or home say or den a car or before busuafo and I say or before jumem at that tower jumem say yena ye free kwame amwaku jumem or the car into one country say ometua say loan company be a sa ubetime si omo ubetime report omo the rights of
MPP cannot be underestimated.
The MPP of Darocha, Sakiskek, Victor Usu, Kofi Buzia, Professor Edubuahe, Alajete, J.A. Kufuor, those men of value, those men of integrity are not what we have today. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas. I tell you without mincing words,